Good day, guys. Welcome back to another episode. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing the Chemical Guys, the original Extreme MAX SUDS 2. Okay, so this is the Chemical Guys, the original Extreme MAX SUDS 2. I picked this up. I've been using it. As you can see, we're about half a bottle now. I've been using it so I can get what my thoughts and opinions are with it, and if it's a product that has met my expectations. So I've been using it. You saw it's a half bottle, and it has impressed me tremendously. So about the MAX SUDS 2, it has a huge list here on the back of the label. Not a list, but it's a huge description of the soap. I'm not going to read all that because I feel that sometimes that gets very monotonous and boring to watch. I want to make these videos fun and interesting and exciting for you guys to watch. So basically what it's saying, you can see on the front here, it is a wash shampoo. It does have gloss enhancers. On the back, they do mention that it is a pH neutral car shampoo or a car soap. It's a pH balance, you can see right here on the back of the label. And it says that it is safe for wax, glazes, sealants, wax coatings because of it being pH neutral. So one thing that I'm very, very surprised with is they really talk about how much slickness and lubrication the soap has. And I'm here to tell you that it does have a tremendous amount of lubrication to it. And it definitely has MAX SUDS. And I would say with the name of MAX SUDS is definitely on par with this product. I'm going to show you the suds that I get out of this with my foam cannon. Tremendous amount of suds. Very happy with it. It is almost shaving cream-like. And then also the suds that are in the bucket, how long those suds in the bucket last. And then I'll show you how slick it is on the surface. So on the label, it says that you use 1 ounce for a full 5-gallon bucket. Here's my bucket. As you can tell, it is not full. It is a little over half full, but 1 ounce is all they say. We're just going to squirt a little bit in. If I get out of the sun, about like that right there. And then in our foam cannon, on here it does not say exactly how much to put into the foam cannon, but what I have been doing and has been working really, really well is I'd like to give it a squirt and then another squirt. So you can tell it is in the foam cannon. It is not filtered water, but it is warm water, and that definitely does help using warm water in your foam cannon. So there's a little tip for getting great results out of a foam cannon. I'm just going to come in here with my pressure washer, top the bucket off, and get these suds going. As you can see, it suds up very, very fast. Lots of suds, very thick suds. So the bucket is overflowing. So the suds that it produces are really good. There is smaller ones and larger. Very, very slick. Absolutely blown away at the slickness of this. I went ahead and put the top on my foam cannon. Now I just like to take my foam cannon and just mix up the soap in there. We don't want thick soap getting sucked up, and that hot water is going to help as well getting that soap mixed up in there. So I'm going to go ahead, we're going to get the beautiful charger rinsed down, and then we're going to start foaming it, and we'll come in and show you how much foam we can get out of this product. Another thing that I like about this product as well is it says that it is safe to use in direct sunlight. We are in direct sunlight. I haven't had any problems at all using it in direct sunlight, so you will be seeing that as well. They do label that on the back in the description of the product too, but we have the foam cannon now set up and ready to start foaming, so let's check this out. So as you can see, there has been a tremendous amount of suds created by this nice, thick, slow dripping It's helping encapsulate all the dirt, slowly working down the side of the car, pulling it down, doing as it should. Let's keep foaming some more. So as you can see, you get a tremendous amount of suds. I'm going to spray it on the hood here. Let's see how thick we can get it. Look at this. This stuff is so thick. These suds are absolutely amazing. I know you should not do that, but you can see how thick they are. I'm going to be doing a paint correction on here, but these suds are very thick, very slick. Amazing product. Works so good out of the foam gun. Absolutely blown away. And then coming back here, you can see all the foam just dripping off, pulling down the panel, cleaning it, pulling that dirt off. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to just rinse all this foam off to help pull the rest of that dirt off, and then I'm going to go ahead and hand wash it. I'll show you the lubricity of hand washing with this product as well, but it has done such a great job out of the foam cannon. I love this product with the foam cannon. So I know the car wasn't extremely dirty, but after foaming it down and rinsing it off, has definitely cleaned it up and has helped remove any of that loose dirt or any of the dirt that was stuck on by softening it up and pulling it down. So now I'm going to come in to do the contact wash after we've foamed it. You can also foam it again for more added lubrication from the soap if you're afraid of scratching the paint, but the paint is actually really clean. I always normally start on the roof. It's all vinyl wrapped, so I'm going to show you on the hood and a fender how this stuff does and the slickness of it. And then once we get it all rinsed down and I get it dried up, I'll bring you in to show you the after results of using this product. So here's our bucket. We still have a tremendous amount of suds in here, still just hanging out from getting it ready before getting the foam cannon and everything ready. So very, very impressive there. So then coming on the hood, literally just one finger. It just glides around. Super, super slick. Nice, easy to use product. Love the lubrication that it lays down for the contact wash. So you don't have to worry about hurting your paint or scratching it or swirling it. But it is a very, very good soap. I have been extremely impressed with. Okay, I've finished up now. As you can see, here's the suds left in the bucket. We are a little low on water. Probably should have filled it up more. Still, a decent amount of suds left in this bucket. So the suds last. They do a great job. They stick around. Really nice and slick. Alright, so here it is. Got it all dried up. Paint looks super good. You can tell that there's gloss enhancers because it does shine it up just a little bit more, I feel like. But it did an extremely great job on the vinyl, cleaning it. The vinyl is clean, the paint is clean. Overall, it works super, super good. It looks red in this. I'm looking at it in person and it's definitely, this is Go Mango is the color. It is orange, but I'm looking at it on the camera right now and it is totally red looking. But the roof, as I mentioned, is all vinyl as well. Did a great job cleaning the vinyl. So it cleans vinyl really good, cleans paint really good. Out in the sunlight, very, very easy to use, very user-friendly. Hasn't streaked up any of the paint or the glass or the vinyl. We got more vinyl back here. So the car has a lot of vinyl on it, but as you can see, it has done a great job cleaning it along with the paint. So overall, I absolutely love this product. That's why I wanted to make this review video and bring it to you guys, because I feel that this is a very review-worthy, worth product. Absolutely love it. But there is the finished product. Looks really, really good. Real quick, easy, simple, and it's just a soap, I know, but it is a great soap at that. All right, so there you go. There is the review of the Chemical Guys, the original Extreme MAX SUDS 2. This is a great car soap, car shampoo. It is called a wash shampoo, but it is a really, really good one. Like I mentioned, I've been using it for a while to see if it met my expectations, and it has. That's why I wanted to bring the review video to you guys, because I feel that this is a really, really great product by Chemical Guys. I really like it. Absolutely blown away by the amount of suds that I get out of the foam can with it, the foam that I get. This stuff is very thick, very shaving cream-like. Amazing results out of the foam cannon, and this stuff is super, super slick. Like I was mentioning, when you're washing from the foam cannon, the foam dripping down onto the concrete, you can feel the slickness under that, underneath your feet, between your shoes and the concrete. So it has lots of lubrication, easy to use in the sun, gloss enhancers, safe on vinyl, on paint, high lubrication, pH neutral, not going to strip any kind of waxes or sealants. All around, great car shampoo, highly recommend it. Definitely gets 2 thumbs up from me. But I just wanted to bring that review video to you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully it was something that you find interesting, or you're curious about this product if you have not used it. It is great. Highly recommend it. I really, really, truly love it, and absolutely love it out of my foam cannon. It is just a lot of fun to create and generate all of those suds. Definitely trying to change up some of the different camera angles, different filming, to make the videos a little bit more enjoyable for you guys and a little bit more quality, I guess you could say. Just trying to change things up just a little bit, kind of step up my game, so hopefully you guys enjoy that. Definitely drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you've used this product and what you think about it. Also, remember to subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, turn on all post notifications so you don't miss a future upload. Smash that thumbs up if you like this video. And all of you guys' support is greatly appreciated. It helps the channel out tremendously, and thank you all so much for that. But I will catch you all in the next one, and until then, take care.